E-commerce has revolutionized the way businesses operate and has opened up new opportunities for companies to reach a wider customer base. With the rise of technology, consumers can now shop from the comfort of their own homes, eliminating the need for physical stores. This has provided businesses with new ways to market their products and increase sales. However, with the increasing popularity of e-commerce, competition has become fierce, making it necessary for businesses to stay ahead of the curve. This article will discuss the benefits and challenges of e-commerce for businesses, including the ability to reach a wider customer base, reduced operating costs, and the need for a strong online presence. However, these benefits come with a number of challenges, such as the need to ensure security, maintain high levels of customer service, and adapt to changing market trends. E-commerce has rapidly become a popular way for businesses to reach customers and sell products and services. However, establishing and maintaining a successful e-commerce presence can be challenging. In this video, we will explore tips and strategies for mastering e-commerce and achieving success in the online marketplace. Topics may include optimizing your website for maximum visibility, creating a user-friendly shopping experience, and utilizing digital marketing techniques such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing. Additionally, we will examine common challenges faced by e-commerce businesses, such as managing logistics and shipping, handling customer service inquiries, and protecting sensitive customer data. The rapid advancement of technology has completely transformed the way we live and do business. In recent years, e-commerce has become one of the most profitable and rapidly growing industries, and technology has played a major role in its development. From online shopping to mobile commerce, technology has greatly impacted the way customers engage with businesses and has redefined the traditional customer experience. One of the key factors that have propelled the growth of e-commerce is the widespread adoption of smartphones and other mobile devices. These devices have made it possible for consumers to shop online from anywhere, at any time, which has greatly increased their convenience and accessibility to online shopping. In addition, advancements in mobile payment technologies have made online transactions more secure and seamless, providing customers with more confidence when shopping online. Another major impact of technology on e-commerce is the rise of social media and its influence on consumer behavior. Social media has become an important platform for businesses to connect with customers and engage with them in a more personal and authentic way. By leveraging the power of social media, businesses can build brand awareness, increase customer loyalty, and drive sales through targeted advertising campaigns. Additionally, the use of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and big data analytics has enabled e-commerce businesses to provide a more personalized and relevant shopping experience to customers. These technologies help businesses to gather and analyze customer data, which can be used to create customized product recommendations, provide real-time customer support, and enhance the overall shopping experience. In conclusion, the impact of technology on e-commerce has been profound and far-reaching. By embracing new technologies and leveraging their benefits, businesses can not only increase sales and profits, but also enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. This in turn leads to sustainable growth and success in the highly competitive world of e-commerce. In today's fast-paced digital world, customers expect a seamless and personalized experience when they shop online. As technology continues to advance, e-commerce businesses must adapt to keep up with changing customer needs and expectations. In this article, we will discuss the key ways to enhance the customer experience in the digital age. First and foremost, creating a user-friendly website is crucial. A well-designed website should be easy to navigate, have a clean layout, and provide relevant information about products and services. This will not only improve the customer experience but also increase the likelihood of customers making a purchase. Another important factor is the use of personalization. By gathering data on customer behavior, preferences, and purchase history, businesses can tailor their approach and provide a more personalized shopping experience. This can include personalized product recommendations, email campaigns, and even tailored promotions. In addition to personalization, mobile optimization is also crucial. With an increasing number of customers using mobile devices to shop online, businesses must ensure their websites are optimized for these devices. This includes having a responsive design, fast loading times, and easy-to-use checkout processes. Finally, providing excellent customer service is essential. This includes providing multiple communication channels for customers to reach out for support, responding promptly to inquiries, and offering fast and reliable shipping options. By doing so, businesses can build trust and loyalty with their customers, leading to increased customer satisfaction and repeat business. In conclusion, enhancing the customer experience in the digital age requires a combination of well-designed websites, personalization, mobile optimization, and excellent customer service. By implementing these strategies, e-commerce businesses can stay ahead of the competition and meet the evolving needs and expectations of their customers.